welcome back to another video. Hope y'all doing amazing, really and truly do. But what do y'all's going on with the charts? I really want to do my introduction to y'all properly, but I ain't gonna get to do it currently. But my name is Kevon Roach, and this is my channel where I share my full journey, what it's like both on and off the charts as a full-time trader from the Caribbean. If that sounds like something interesting to you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like while you're at it, because there's a lot more content coming your way. Now, I don't know if you've been watching my videos previously or recently, but it's been a good week. It's currently Friday, the last day in the trading week, and I'm currently in a trade. But before I show you which direction I am in and where's my entry and stop loss and all that, just let me have a quick recap of this week so far. Just pure W's. I ain't even, if we go back to the week before as well as, W's. I had one loss, but still W. But what can I even say? It's 10:30 in the AM, 11:30 in Guyana, but 10:30 in New York time, and I'm in a trade. For those who know, I am currently managing 3 accounts with a total of 21k. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. Trust me. It's we scaling. But I'm currently live on the 10k SiEG fund, which is a prop firm that I'm using for right now. Oh, it's still on the withdrawal page. For those who haven't been following, for you to catch up, you probably would need to watch the previous videos. But the main concept is I'm live on this 10k challenge account. I'm currently up $307 in profit. I can withdraw because SiEG fund, your first withdraw is on demand, so whatever you make, whenever you make it, there's no minimum withdrawal, and you can request that whenever you want, as long as you make it to the live. And then after that, it's every 2 weeks. So I can request a live, but I'm thinking to just let the month play out and actually be able to compare my results, rather than just making a small bag and withdrawing it, and then it happens to be luck and I'm unable to repeat the same thing. So I want to make sure that I'm able to consistently do this on lengthened period of time, a good enough period of time to make a right conclusion. Now, I'm currently up $300 on this account, and I have a trade open. But the thing is, I have this trade open on all of my other accounts except the SiEG account. Alright, if you can notice right there, I got the sell limit still active. It was not activated when price came up. It barely missed my entry and then went down. But on the other 2 accounts, if you can see there, I have this trade open. So it's currently open on this account and on this other account here. So we have this open on the 5k and the 6k account. Now, the thing about this trade is, even though I'm not active in the live account, I'm still pretty much contented. I still feel good because mainly it was sent out to the group. So since we're using the same broker, and this is also active on my personal accounts, then we're all in this one and we're holding it short right there. That was like if you look at it, in a sense, a sniper entry. I ain't even joking with you. It is, in a sense, a sniper entry. A good set of risk, but you know me, I reduce my risk. And NAS has been giving some really nice moves lately. 100 pips is nothing for you to get in a day, or in just a trade. You can get 200-300 in the day if you have multiple positions in different directions, because price changes direction most days and goes at least 100 pips. So it's possible for you to get about 200-300 pips if you're entering more than one trade, or even if you're entering one trade, you can get 200 pips easily a NAS, as long as you have a good entry and the market is going in one general direction for the day. Then yeah, it's possible for you to get that much a NAS. It's been moving very nice, and nothing out of the ordinary, nothing irregular or so. But Losses still are possible. I am still aware. If you watch yesterday's video, I showed in the past it was 14 trades. We had 10 wins, 1 break even, and 3 losses. So it's easy for someone to go into a period of, you know, overconfidence once they have results like that, especially, you know, the entire week thus far has been 100% win rate. It's easy for someone to go into a state of overconfidence and then slip up and not take all the necessary steps that even got them to that point when approaching the next trade. But I am constantly instilling it in myself that losses can occur at any moment, and I need to be humble, I need to be disciplined, I need to be, you know, aware of this and just remain disciplined to my strategy, to my rules, adhere to my rules, and, you know, treat every trade like a new trade, not continuing from yesterday, not trying to make back anything that I missed out or so. I'm, you know, just approaching the market with a neutral perspective. Whatever the price wants to do, I accept that, and I'm not trying to force my narrative or my bias on the market. So whatever happens, I'll just be an observer and come back in and give you guys that update once we finish observing what price wants to do. So we're back, and yeah, as you can see there, price reversed, went very close to our stop loss. And here's the thing, a lot happened in the past was it hour, 2 hours. It went that close to my stop loss, and you know, I don't bring stop loss to break even or anything, so I ended up in a little bit of drawdown, and it started weighing on my mind that so far the week has been a 100% win rate. You know, P&L for the week is just up, and I mentioned it before closing the camera the last time, and it was on my mind, which is something I realize now that I shouldn't pay too much attention to, but I really wanted to keep that at 100. So I was looking for some way to possibly either re-enter or enter in the opposite direction if we're going up. Obviously, I had to wait on confirmation. I didn't want to get caught in manipulation or anything like that. So I closed the trade when we came about like this much negative. I'll show you the probably the screenshot would be better so you can see where I exited the trade. But I also, if you can see there in the screenshot, I also entered a sell from not too far from the new high that was farmed, the second new high that almost took me out, a little bit past my entry for the first trade, which recovered the losses that I took on this first sell. So the first sell that was down here had a loss, and then the second sell from up here had profit, and you know, I recovered that loss. I actually closed with about $10 in profit, which makes the day still a W. But for the community, since we weren't live when I called this trade out, I sent a message once we got back down here, because on this leg of prices where I had the second entry, and I closed, I think it was like around here, just a little bit in profit. And then while price was here, I sent a message to the group. I think, let me just pull up Telegram so you guys could see. But I sent a message around, I think it's 11:30 or 11:20 or 11:15, just before we got back to entry. Right, so here we have close all positions 12:23, so that would say 11:23 on the charts. So right, just before we got back to entry, just like when this candle was this candle is now closing, so we already went down there and we were coming back up, and I sent out to close at 7:05. so I want to say on the opening of this one when it was coming back down, or when it was coming back up, but at 7:05 told them to set their take profit or stop loss, so they would be tagged out to the trade once price tagged right here in profit. And then, you know, after which price just came back up to the entry, and now the trade would have been in a drawdown, but thank God you guys didn't even get to see it. Thank God we got to exit it here when the trade was sent out. We entered this one at 11:21, so that would be at 10:21, right? 10:21 on this chart. And this was also sent out to the premium community. Let me just confirm. Right, so sent out to the premium community, and like I was saying in the past, I created the premium membership. Okay, so there's the VIP community, sorry, And then there's the premium membership. I need to rename these groups so I don't get confused, or nobody else don't get confused. But the premium membership is, you know, the live group sessions, the live trading sessions, the PDF to the advanced trading course, the study material, the other tools that I use when it comes to trading. And the VIP community is just, you know, the trades that I'm entering and the results of those trades. You know, you can copy those trades, you can take those trades if you want to, but I suppose you would be copying these trades since you're paying for it. It's like signals, but I just don't want to call it signals, but it is signals. And we also have the free community, which is the largest community thus far. Actually, this is the free signals. This is the free signals where I, you know, send about 2 to 3 signals in there per week. And for the premium, it's more like 3 to 5, sometimes 7 per week. And here we have the beginners chat. Currently 316 members. The beginners chat, just, you know, different beginners sharing their experience, sharing their results, asking questions, basically trying to assist as many persons as I can for free, you know, those who are interested in learning about Forex. So the beginners group 316, the free signals group 234. The premium membership, that's 15 persons. Access to the premium membership is $50 per month. And then there is the signals, VIP signals, which is which it was $50 per month, but I made the premium group $50 per month, and the signals is now just $30 per month. And I also offer one-on-one sessions, but I'm not really trying to promote that because currently I'm already too booked with the whole one-on-one session thing. I had no idea that would be the response. Persons are interested in learning about Forex and trading in general, you know, even crypto. Persons are contacting me and wondering if I can, you know, just educate them on cryptocurrency and trading crypto or investing in crypto in general. So it's good to see more persons interested in the space, the trading space in general. I just hope that everybody, you know, develops the right mindset that they have to develop, rather than the approach that they currently have, which is more of a gambling mentality, you know, get rich quick. But over time, hopefully by, you know, through demonstration, I could possibly have some type of influence on changing their mind along the right path, because I don't try to make it look like it's a get rich quick scheme. I don't try to make it look like, you know, you can double your money or triple your money or whatever the case is. It's all about growth, it's all about consistency, it's all about discipline, it's all about compounding in order to grow. And the more money you have, the more money you make. It doesn't mean the more money you risk. But yeah, that was the general idea behind opening the different groups. And hopefully, you know, you'll be able to find something that more is suited for you, depending on the type of individual you are. You know, if you prefer more personalized attention, if you prefer the group, you know, if you just want to have the signals, if you just want to be in the free signals, if you're a beginner, you can join the beginners group. And all of the links will be in the description, including a link to the admin on Telegram. So I mean, if you already have Telegram, you can just message me directly there, or you could contact me on Instagram or check out the website. But I'm possibly gonna open back the camera and give you guys the update on how this trade goes. It's Friday, so you know, I ain't too fussy to take no more trades. I still end the week with 100% win rate. Regardless, this one was a little break even. It's still break even in profit. So yeah, the day is looking very nicely. The week looking very nicely. I am going to journal just now and supposed to be seeing pure W's for the recent, you know, and I ain't even done here yet. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, a lot of W's, man. A lot of W's. Seeing the red, but it's still in October. When we come to November, man, it's 1 L thus far, man. 1 L. But that's probably because I ain't journal properly. But as in, when it, oh yeah, that's something I actually wanted to touch on. Don't gotta run over here by chance and run over here by chance. But what happened with the trading results itself? Because as you can see here, from the 1st of November up until The 19th I have recorded, but I have placed trades on the 20th and the 21st, so they were both W's as well. But on the charts you could see that I took 14 trades and 3 of them were losses, but I only have 1 recorded loss here. But if we could go over back to the charts on these days where I actually took a loss or an W, you'd notice that even though I might have taken an L in the day, like earlier in the day, besides on this one day where there was just 1 trade, the 8th, there's almost always, let's go right back to the beginning. So on this day right here, I took this win, which was 88 pips, and then this trade ended up bringing a break-even trade. So this was on Friday, right? It was still the 1st, so this could be considered a new day. So I took a break-even right here, then I took a loss for 61 pips, same on Monday, and same on Monday, same trade that was opened on Monday, gave me a 135 pip take profit on Tuesday morning. So even though this, I can basically say this area right here from Friday into Monday is 1 trade, and from Monday into Tuesday is 2 trades. But on Friday into Monday, this was a win because I won 88 pips and got a break even. And then from Monday into Tuesday, this was also a win because I lost 61 pips but gained 135 pips. So they were both positive days. That's why even though I lost 2 trades technically on this day, 1 break even and 1 loss, sorry, it still is a positive day, so it counts as a W for me. I'm not gonna put it as a loss because I took a L. I understand L's are a part of the game. So on this day where I only had 1 trade because I had 1 entry, I took a loss. That was 78 pips, that was down there, and that's on the 8th of November, as we can see right here, the 8th of November. But every other trade that ended up being a loss, even on the same day, here for example, it was Wednesday, on Wednesday morning from Tuesday into Wednesday. This was another week, not the same week, we ain't coming from nowhere, but another Tuesday into Wednesday. Entered the trade on Tuesday. Earlier I would like to assume, oh, this was a buy limit. Now remember, this was a buy limit that was set on Tuesday, got activated Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. TP went up there, even though I did not put a TP, I did not set a TP for this trade, so I only got it when it was almost back at break even. So this Tuesday into Wednesday is basically a break even trade, and then I lost this one, so it's 62 negative. But same Wednesday into Thursday, basically a little bit over midnight on Wednesday, at Thursday 2 a.m. this trade hit full TP and it was for 106 pips. So closing off the trading day again positive with the total losses versus the total wins and the R&R. So on today, where I did not hold this trade for full stop loss and I managed to secure the same, actually a little bit more profit than what I lost when I closed the trade early here. It's basically the same thing as closing at break even because I was able to secure a little bit of profit. So I'm out of the trade. It's still, to me, 100% win rate for this week. And so far for the month, it's still just 1 losing day. That was on the 8th of November, where I just took 1 trade, didn't see any more entries, did not get a chance to recover the loss, and just accepted it. And here we are right now on the 22nd, the Friday, and possibly not going to be taking back any more trades, but I'm still going to come back and give you guys an update, like I said, once we get to either of our areas of interest, either stop loss or take profit.